treatment plant that is supposed to supply to the industry. I think the industries are growing and the demand is increasing, their capacities are increasing, and if you want to connect them to where we supply domestic, there might be a problem because all around the demand is increasing. And so as a company, we have to be proactive. So we were looking at how to draw water from Aveime through our areas into the industries so that we take off the industry from the Tema booster so that we can be able to supply them enough. Because they are commercial, their rates are far higher than the domestic. And so we are sure that when we invest in that, it will be very easy for us to use the tariff as a measure of getting back or repaying the loan that we do.
How soon are we going to see?
It has started. We've already had a discussion with the Danish embassy. We floated 3 projects. They settled on this one. We've had a discussion with our sector minister. We've written to her on that. We are waiting for the Minister of Finance to write to the Danida group. They have this Danish Sustainable Infrastructure Fund where the rates are very good. The concessionary and government of Ghana will be happy to have. When they write showing support of that, then we kickstart the facility. And that's what we have on our own. Have started the facility, as I said this before. Because knowing the demand of the company is part of the facility. That's what we do. How much estimates? We don't want to go below 100 cubic meters per day production.
So in terms of cost, like money-wise, so how much facility are we looking at? How much of facility are we looking at?
They don't have a limit to the facility we can take, but it will depend on what numbers we get. Because the pipe system, we have to establish it. The length will have to be established. The treatment plant will have to be established. The filters will have to be established, which we are not. And I don't want to hazard any case.
Okay.
So the pond halt is as a result of funding. Somebody's processing it, and as I mentioned, it's an EXIM facility, state to state and diplomatic issues involved. So you will not be able to just cut it because you feel there's a problem. The countries will have to talk to themselves for them to let them know how there we are as far as the water supply is concerned. Then when we are able to reach there, we can either terminate and get a new person, somebody else to come and do it. But for this one, it's a separate arrangement. So whether the pond comes on or not, but when we get this in, for us, it serves the pond, the domestic area too, because we take off the industries and then the domestic people will have more volumes of water going to them. So it's still, they complement each other.
Now,